Welcome to Dynamics eShop Product Overview. In this video, I will be walking you through a high-level demo of the key modules offered in the eShop product. Here at Dynamics eShop, we are experts in both e-commerce and Dynamics ERP. We have over 20 years of experience building integrated web stores across all types of industries. Our company provides solutions globally, with offices in California, London, Germany, and India. We are focused on Dynamics ERP/e-commerce implementations and have successfully integrated over 400 web stores and counting. eShop uses web services to communicate with Dynamics 365 Business Central, offering real-time visibility with your Dynamics 365 BC data. It is specially designed to leverage rich functionality provided by Dynamics 365 BC. This allows direct interaction with key elements such as items, customers, discounts, promotions, and specific business logic created and maintained in Dynamics 365 BC. eShop is designed to be an all-in-one solution to meet all your e-commerce needs. It contains B2B and B2C solutions. eShop also contains a sales portal, vendor portal, and mobile POS solutions to help simplify your systems. Additional products we offer are eShop Connect, a robust integration tool for Magento, Shopify, or Oracle, Service Management Portal to optimize business services, and eShop Marketplace, which contains various plugin solutions for your web store. eShop is fully integrated with the key e-commerce components including taxes, shipping, and payment processing. For taxes, eShop is integrated with Avalara, CCH, and the standard D365 tax tables. For shipping, eShop is integrated with FedEx, UPS, USPS, and the standard D365 BC shipping tables. For payment processing, including credit card payments, eShop is integrated with ChargeLogic, SimCrest, Authorize.net, and PayPal. eShop also provides customers with access to current activity, including sales orders, open invoices, their account statement, or any standard D365 BC sales or customer account related reports. Catalog and inventory pricing is maintained directly in D365 and only in D365. This means if there are any customizations in the pricing area, they will be directly reflected in eShop with no additional work required. Before we jump into the product demo, here are a few of the many clients currently benefiting from the powerfully rich e-commerce functionality you're about to see. We will start by showing an integrated pricing and item availability. Then we will show a basic B2B transaction, a B2C transaction, and we will finish with a review of the sales and vendor portals. In this demo, we will be showing the real-time integration of pricing and availability for a web client. Of course, it works as well with a standard D365 role-tailored client, tablet client, and classic client in older installations. Let's jump into eShop. We will navigate to a specific item. In this instance, a Canon PowerShot SX710 camera. The SKU number is 1016. Pricing is $699 with 7 in stock. So let's go back into D365 and take a look at that item, 1016. Open up our item card, and here we see a quantity on hand of 15 and a quantity of 8 already allocated to open sales orders, giving our in-stock number of 7. If we navigate down, we see our pricing is $699. So let's put our item on sale and knock the price down to $600. Now we'll go back to the website, refresh the page, and there's our new price immediately updated. This demonstrates that the pricing is only stored in D365, providing truly real-time pricing and availability and tight integration between eShop and D365. Now we will go through a B2B transaction. In this scenario, we will be using an existing customer that is already set up in D365 with an eShop user ID and password. For this demo, we will be using user ID nav user, which is tied to customer 20,000 in D365. Before jumping into eShop, we will take a quick look at the Role Center and see our eShop order queue at 15. When we finish our transaction, we will see that increment increase. Now we open up eShop and log in with our user ID. Then, we'll navigate back to the familiar item, the Canon PowerShot SX710. The first thing we notice here is our customer-specific pricing of $500, the old price being $600. If we go back to D365 and look at the item and look at standard D365 pricing tied to customer 20,000, we see our $500. This demonstrates our customer-specific pricing. So now we take our Canon SX710 camera and add it to our cart. Again, we see here the customer pricing of $500. If there was a live discount, it would show here. If there's an inventory discount, it would be down here. Once we agree to the terms of service, we can click Checkout. Once clicking Checkout, this takes us to the billing page, where the address is already stored in D365. This can be changed by the customer, and it will update in D365. In this case, we will keep the saved shipping and billing addresses. On the shipment selection page, rates are pulled real-time from FedEx, UPS, or other carriers. In this case, we will select ground shipping for $10. On the payment selection page, the user can define which options will display. In this case, we will select the purchase order payment method, where the customer pays based on predefined payment terms, for instance, net 30. Next, the customer enters their PO or reference number and we continue on. Now, the customer can look over the entire order, make any changes, and submit the order. On the confirmation page, we can see the order number and click for more details. So now let's go back to D365 and look for our newly created order. We'll go into the queue and look at sales order ending in 54. As we open up the order, we notice that this is a web order. It was created via eShop. Notice the customer's internal PO number, the camera they have selected, the customer-specific pricing, $500, and the shipping cost for this order. So all of this information flows directly into D365. We've now completed the B2B scenario, illustrating customer-specific pricing and the entire checkout process. Now we will walk through a B2C transaction. This scenario will show how any retail customer can create an account and place an order. We will demonstrate how this information is instantly available in Dynamics 365. To begin the transaction, our retail customer will register. We will see how this creates in Dynamics 365 an eShop user ID as well as a new customer, and these will be linked together. After completing all the required elements, we will register. Now we'll continue to the B2C transaction. We will go to Products and we'll open up Conference Bundle 1-6. We can see here that it's $150 as opposed to $188.80. We'll add that to our shopping cart and begin our order. This is all the same as the B2B transaction, including the shipping address, billing address, and shipping method. When it comes to payment information, for B2B we had to select what type of payment option we wanted, but with B2C it opens right to the credit card information. So we will fill that out and place our order. Now, we'll take a look at our eShop users, and here we will see our newly created user and new created customer. This completes the B2C transaction, illustrating the automated customer and sales order creation in Dynamics 365. Now we'll demo the sales portal. This is the perfect tool for your internal and external sales personnel, as well as service reps that don't have access to Dynamics 365. We'll demonstrate how a salesperson can log into eShop, giving them access to a customer's account information. They will also be able to check customer pricing and place an order on behalf of the customer. We'll begin by logging into eShop as the salesperson. Here we see the salesperson has access to their customers. Now let's take a look at how item pricing is displayed based on the customer selection. So we scroll down and select the Datum Corporation and then go to Products. Then we select Conference Bundle 1-6 and we can see that the pricing is $150. Now we go back and select Tray Research Customer Group. Then we go to Products and look at the Conference Bundle 1-6 again. We can see that the new price is $100. To begin the order on behalf of a customer, we will add it to the cart and begin the transaction as we've already seen. The sales portal also gives us access to customer account information. So here we can see the customer balance, the shipping addresses for the customer, and any open orders, invoices, and any transactional information. The My Account section is available for B2B, and B2C customers. Here's the vendor portal view. We can quickly log in as a vendor. If you are new, you can create a new account, but for now, we are logging in as a vendor that is already established. As a vendor, we can access our information, update it, and save it. If you want someone to upload any documents as part of vendor onboarding, they can do it here. Let's say you create an account and you want a vendor to upload a document. You can have a number of documents that are mandatory for vendors to submit, and you can add a title of them here so that vendors can go in and submit that type of document. Here, we will submit a W-9 as a key document you expect from a vendor. So we will choose the W-9 file and hit upload. And now this document is loaded into Business Central under this particular vendor. The vendor we were using just now is vendor 20,000, so we will open it up to them in Business Central. Here they are, vendor 20,000. Now we want to see the documents listed under this vendor. After going over and clicking on Documents, we can see the W-9 we just uploaded with the date and time listed with the rest of the documents in this file. So if your workflow is set up to have the vendor submit multiple documents as part of onboarding, this is where that will happen. Once they upload everything, you can create a purchase quote. The typical flow is to first create a purchase quote and then a purchase order. So here is where we would see a purchase quote show up. These can be created in Business Central by going to Purchase Quotes and creating it for that particular vendor. So here we are going to the account 20,000 and we are creating a purchase quote. We will fill this out just as an example. Once it is filled out, we will go to Release, and then we will click Portal, so it is now available for vendors to read on the vendor portal. Now logged back in as a vendor, I can go in and see my purchase quote immediately, right here in the portal. If a vendor needs to edit the quantity or shipping date of the quote, they can do so here. If they'd like to print it, they can do it at the top of the screen. The scenarios covered in the video were configured using the most popular online mode. It can also be configured using our mixed mode or offline mode. If you are interested in our products and would like to learn more about how it can help your e-commerce business, we would be happy to set up a free personalized demo with you. You can request a demo on our website at dynamicseshop.com. Additionally, if you have any questions about our variety of products, feel free to reach out via email at sales@dynamicseshop.com. Thank you for watching. To stay up to date with us, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.